The healing power of some important foods. Foods have healing powers. Foods heal through their vitamin content, minerals, antioxidants, and anti inflammatory compounds that boost immunity, repair tissues, and fight different diseases. For example, apples. Apple is a good heart medicine. It lowers cholesterol, lowers blood pressure, stabilizes blood sugar. Apple juice kills infectious viruses. Onions. Onion is a multifaceted heart blood medicine. It boosts beneficial HDL cholesterol, thins the blood. It contains such chemicals that retard cancer and aging. It lowers risk of death from all causes and it lowers blood pressure. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, Swiss chard. These are high in vitamins C and K, folate, magnesium, and antioxidants. They help in immune function and reduces inflammation. Leafy green aids in wound healing. Mushrooms. Mushroom thins the blood, lowers blood cholesterol. It stimulates the immune function and inactivates viruses. Oily fish like salmon mackerel. Fish thins the blood. It protects arteries from damage, inhibits blood clots. It reduces triglycerides and lowers bad type of blood cholesterol. Omega-3 fatty acids in it reduces inflammation and supports heart and brain health. Fish reduces the risk of lupus. Garlic. Garlic acts as a natural antibiotic and immune booster due to allicin present in it. It helps in lowering blood pressure, fights infection, cholesterol, triglycerides. It acts as an expectorant and decongestant and prevents and release from chronic bronchitis. Ginger. Ginger reduces nausea, soothes sore throat. It thins the blood, lowers blood cholesterol, alleviates muscle pain, and has anti inflammatory properties. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti inflammatory that helps with joint pain, brain health, and digestion. Blueberries and strawberries. These berries are rich in antioxidants and polyphenols. They fight cell damage, they support immunity, and protect against chronic diseases. Yogurt. Yogurt has the property of killing bacteria. Yogurt prevents and treats intestinal infections, boosts immunity, and improves bowel function. Now, how these foods work. The antioxidants found in these foods neutralize free radicals that destroy cells. Anti inflammatory compounds help in calming the chronic inflammation, which is the root cause of illness. Vitamins and minerals support body function, increases immunity, and repair tissues. Proteins found in them builds and repair tissues, especially after injury or surgery. In addition to these foods, healthy diet plus other lifestyle modification may support healing. Rest is essential. Hydration is also important for healing. Cigarettes and alcohol should be avoided to the maximum. Deficiencies in zinc and vitamin B12 and A should not be overlooked. This is Bright Lifestyle. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.